You may ask why this prophet is adding up destiny in his neck. Yes, this is my birthday. This month is my month of birth. December 31st, the last day of the month. I'll be clocking a new year. So, what do you have to do? Support my birthday. Give on the comment section. Whatever you used to do birthday for me. Very good. Let us jump into the matter. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to give me your 5 to 6 minutes. I am not going to exceed 6 minutes. Igbo people and their businesses in different parts of Nigeria. Pay attention. I'm not saying that Yorubas or Hausas or any tribe should not pay attention. I want you also to pay attention. But I am specifically going to Igbo businessmen in anywhere, in the north, in the west, in the southwest, in the southeast, in the northwest, in the northeast. I want all of you, the Igbo people, to pay attention. This revelation has come to me severally. It is not something that has not been happening. It has been happening. But this time, it came to me a day yesterday. It came last week, but I ignored it. But today, mark it. What is the date of today? Let me check the date of today so that I am not going to make a mistake. I think today is the 8th of December. Today is the 8th of December. Igbo people, pay attention. The fire is on the mountain. Pay attention. This will cause by two things: hate and natural things. Igbo people are the greatest target in their businesses, in everywhere they are. But you need to guide yourself. The Bible says that the wise have seen evil and they live, but the foolish or the simpleton have seen it and go into it and suffer the consequences. Pay attention. Igbo people are the people from the east. Pay attention. Pay me attention. This is a revelation. It's a revelation and the prophecy I am giving to you. If you like, do it anyhow. If you like, do it. And if you like, just cross over. If you don't have business, share it to your brother that has business. Share it to that your friend that has business. That Igbo man you know, if you love him, share it to him that is doing business. No matter where he is doing that business, I'm going to mention the places. I'm mentioning the places that these things will engulf. Pay attention. This time you must be very serious. You must be resilient. You must stand firm. Your eyes must be open. A rat doesn't eat a thing that belongs to a man awake. Igbo people, pay attention. The hate is getting too much. I don't want to go far. I don't want to go about the hate and that, but I want you to pay attention. And other tribes that want to listen, you can listen. If you don't want to listen, it is your business. The word is only good for the wise. Pay me attention. They showed me in different places that this fire outbreak will come. They show me in different places this fire outbreak will come. In different places that I should warn people in those areas. Now, what do I warn you? Before I go to these places that this fire outbreak will occur, it is better you listen to the warning. If you have your house where you are doing your business, anywhere, whether you bought it or you rent it, mainly especially if you have your own house or a place, you can install water. Install water there from now till December. From now, this December till 2 weeks, install water there. One, he said, if you have a business that you cherish so much, install water. One. The second, make sure you have a security that you trusted. A security man you trusted. If he's to stay outside there, in that your business place, let him stay there. Let him be staying there. Pay him. Don't take because of 50,000 and lose 50 million. Many Igbo people are doing business with 200 million, 300 million, and they don't listen to instructions. They call their business anyhow. Look, let me tell you, your life is your business. Are you listening? Your life is your business. I am running out of time because I gave you 6 minutes. 3. Install a machine that will always fight for you. That your security man will know how to operate. If you don't know, this is a machine. This is a car wash machine. This car wash machine is capable of fighting fire outbreak. Buy fuel one. Don't buy electricity because Nigeria don't have electricity. Buy this one. We have 4,400 psi. Buy ones like that can quench fire. It will quench fire immediately. Buy it. Show your security man how to operate this thing. Now let me tell you the areas this will go because I'm running out of time. I'm almost 6 minutes. Listen, if you are in Alaba, whether auto spare parts or wherever, in Alaba, in Ojo, I think that area is called Ojo local government. If you are in Alaba within Ojo, install water anywhere. Sink borehole. To sink borehole in Ojo is very simple. Tell your landlord to use that money and sink borehole. Tell him, let him show you where you sink borehole. Put overhead tank. Connect it to that your machine. Connect it there. That your 100 million is too big for you to lose. For you to lose in this time, 100 million is too big. That machine we are seeing here is not more than 1 million. Buy a rope. Go. They will construct a rope that is up to how many meters that can go around your office to clear fire. That is number one. If you are in trade fair is in Lagos. I don't know the trade fair. If you are in trade fair, also do the same. Do the same. If you are in Onitsha do, if you are in Onitsha main market, anywhere within Onitsha axis where they do chain distribution, chain market, inside everywhere is market. Do this. If you are in Enugu market, anywhere in Enugu, do this. Okay. I am going to tell you something now. As the Lord direct me, I'm not telling you because I want to tell you. Yes, I have heard that fire outbreak is happen different places, but this is the one I am telling you. There is a place called Idumota. Idumota is located in Lagos. I'm not too acquainted with Lagos. Yes, but I know many places in Lagos, but I'm not too well in Lagos. There is a place called Idumota in Lagos. That place, he said, anywhere, anybody that has warehouse, that has shops, that has money should sink borehole in it. Idumota is not far to get water. Those Lagos area, those are islands where water is surrounded. It's not hard to get water. So what am I saying? Use that your money to sink borehole, put overhead tank, connect it to your machine. Have a security man who will man your shop. 1, 2, 3, 4 people can easily get 1 security or 2 security and gather money and pay him. If you are in what is it called, Computer Village, where is it? Computer Village is located in which local government? Computer Village is located in Ikeja local government. If you are in Computer Village, be very careful. Be very, very careful. Do the same thing. Do the same thing. Do the same thing. Many of you are selling computers of millions and millions. Many of you borrowed money from different companies, different banks. Don't allow that money to spoil. Don't allow that money to spoil. 1, 2, 3, 4, gather 1 security or 2, gather money and be paying him every month. Let him man that your business place. Many people are wicked. Some people are burning people's houses, burning business places because they don't want you to progress or because of hate. I don't want to go further. God bless you. My name is Ambassador Single Edwin. Too much talk is not only to be heard, only for when your ear is too big like a cap. No. Listen and pay attention. This is a prophecy that God have sent me to tell you. I have had the time today to tell you this. Yes, it's up to 8 minutes or there about 9 minutes, but no minute is more than each other. Thank you for listening. If you find this interesting, please subscribe to this channel. Share it across to any Igbo man you see, anybody you know that is doing a good business. This will act as a relief to people's property and life. God bless you.